really finna get this tarantula, no cap. At the pen store. I'm finna flip this camera around, but it's drip making it with another video. Vlog video y'all finna see. I had watched some YouTube videos and I know what all I needed for it. It's a fancy corn snake, $99. But I've been watching YouTube videos and I know what I need for it. But y'all see it right there. I'm gonna get this jump right here. We'll probably get some pinky to it. I'm finna show y'all the rest of the animals. Y'all probably noticed, but I had a guinea pig, but it ain't go well. This a gerbil right here. What's up, little man? What else? Look at the guinea pigs. No, this is a chinchilla, I mean. Chinchilla. Look at the chinchilla. There ain't no guinea pigs. Oh, I sure remember this smell. I swear. I remember this smell. The hay smell. Wink, wink. Wink, wink. Look at this one. No, I remember a long time ago when I was a little kid, me, my mom and my sister went up here. They had to ferret out. My mom was so scared. I feel a little sad coming over here where the guinea pig stuff at. I used to stay getting one of these. I swear. But I should be looking over here for a little tank for the tarantula I'm gonna get. They should have a little tank. Oh, let's see. Is it over here? It should be over here. Boy, just got the whole little kit right here. I'm gonna probably get this one. But I think a curly hair, is one of them joints that need a like a tree structure. This what I'm talking about, like right here. But I'm finna go talk to this pet store dude and see what he talking about. It's the pink toe. But he finna get me right, y'all. And I can take that little crate home too. There's one of those. Y'all see that one right there? Alright, so I got the paperwork. I ain't finna show y'all how I got my address on it. I just got these mealworms. Birthday present, no cap. And they will let me take this little tote home so I'm straight. And I'll be back when I get back in the car. But I'm finna look around again. No cap, just got it. I mean, I just got him or her. I should have asked. I don't know, but which one is it? But I just had to go in again and get this little hideout thing. But they were acting like they didn't want to give me one, so I got this one. But let me turn this air off. But y'all see it right here. And I got the mealworms. Man, I'm telling y'all, he gonna grow. No cap for y'all. See how it come. Matter of fact, I'm finna go ahead. No, I'll just wait till I get home and put this in there. And we eating good. And I might just show y'all how to make a shirt or something when I get back. But I'm out though. I'm back in the drip studio. Y'all see what's going on. Boom. Let me turn the camera around. Yeah, so this is the hide. They had a log, but they didn't want to give me it. I hate it, but I wanted that log because it already had his scent or something. But this is a pinky toe. Y'all can see the pink on it, but yup. I'm finna put this hide in there, but first, I'm finna go on YouTube. Okay, y'all, I'm back. Y'all see, I had, since it is a pink toe, I had tried to put some little sticks or something so it can climb. And I had also got some leaves in my backyard and put some in the floor of his enclosure. Some right here and some over here. And I also put the little Sprite cap. I did wash it out. So this his little water bowl. And this is a temporary enclosure now, but he is good. Y'all see him right there. He was just moving. And I also got some mealworms. But yeah, y'all. That's how y'all do it though. This is my enclosure, and like I said, this is a temporary one. But yeah, I'm finna close the top on there for good. Yeah, I see it. She actually pooped. You see this? This is actually a tarantula poop, and that was the first time that a tarantula pooped on me, but not the last time. She also pooped in some other video while I was handling it. And this is recorded a few days later after the treehouse. She already made a web. She webbed up those corn barks and just settled up nice. And this is the first feeding clip with her. Bam! Yeah, she got it. Now looking back to it, I'm really surprised that I didn't record her earlier, but I think that main reason is I still didn't have a proper camera. I was using my cell phone to record, and that cell phone wasn't really capable of focusing at close distance. So small slings, the recordings of them weren't really good enough, so that was probably the main reason why I didn't record her earlier. And this is when she molted.